All right, Leah.
Your Honor, Ms. refused the services of the public defender's office today.
Okay. All right, first one is an older one. On the record, State of Michigan versus Leah 2201896 SM. Are you Leah? Okay, in this case, it looks like it's an older file for which you have a failure to appear. So this is a domestic violence alleged to have occurred on or about June 3rd, 2022, against a Robert. You were scheduled for trying to see here. May 9 for final pretrial and May 23rd for jury trial. Looks like you failed to appear on May 9 for final pretrial. A warrant was issued for your arrest. You must have had some kind of interim bond here. It looks like you had law enforcement contact on May 14 and failed to appear to be arraigned again on May 30th. So hence we are here today on your failure to appear. Ms. Fox, you have the right to have an attorney in this matter. And if you could not afford one, the public defender could be appointed to represent you. You have the right to have a trial that could be by jury. Apparently you were scheduled to have a trial. At that trial, you have the right to see, hear, and question all of the witnesses against you. You have the right to bring witnesses in your own defense, and you could get a subpoena to make them appear. You have the right to testify at your trial if you wanted to, but if you did not want to testify, the prosecutor could not use your silence against you. You have the right to be presumed innocent unless they can prove that you are guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Now, are you sure that you don't want a public defender to help you with this?
Sure. I didn't even do it. I don't even know who the fuck he is no more.
Yeah, I'm looking. I see the name of the victim was listed originally as Robert. I think his name is Robert.
Yeah, Robert.
Okay. Well, I mean, if you dispute whether you did it, wouldn't you want to have an attorney to help you present your side of it?
But why am I even still dealing with this? If he first of all hasn't even showed up to press charges against me, and second of all, I've already done time for it 4 times already.
So don't swear at me. Okay. So the problem is there's a trial date where he would have to be present and testify, and unfortunately you keep not getting to the point of forcing him to show up or not show up because you have to show up for your trial, and when you don't show up for a trial, then it doesn't matter whether he showed up.
If you guys hear what I go through every day,
you got to show up for things and to resolve them, and if you don't show up, then this is what happens.
It'd be easier if I had a house.
Okay. You need to stop swearing at me.
You spoke from your arraignment already. I already know you're arraigned. I can tell because your face isn't popping off.
So they put this back on for pretrial on June 27th, it looks like. Due to your persistent failures to appear and your refusal to deal with counsel today and you're swearing at me, I'm going to set your bond at $5,000 cash surety with no PR. And all the other conditions will still be on there, including the no contact order for Robert Pearl. I still have to arraign you on an ordinance file as well. I'll do that right now. This ordinance file alleges that, well, let me call it properly. City of Lansing versus Leah 2301538 This alleges on or about May 13, 2023 at 4:48 p.m. that you were at 112 Regent Street near East Michigan Avenue, City of Lansing, Ingham County, and that you were trespassing in a red tag property. That's a misdemeanor violation of city ordinance punishable by up to 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines plus court costs. Do you understand?
It's not my judge. I know what my judge looks like and I have to face off. It's not my judge.
You're almost done.
That's not even the person that's usually sitting next to her. Watch.
I'm the arraigning judge today, so that's who you get today. Your regular judge will be Judge Flores, and you'll see him at your court date, but I'm the arraigning judge today.
I'm not listening to you. They'll talk to you. Can I go back to myself?
Nope, you're gonna listen to
I
the,
don't need. She's not a judge.
Okay, defendant's unable to be arraigned on this file today. We won't complete this arraignment. You can just hold her on the other file. Thank you. This one has to have a new K-53 to go with it because it's an assault case.
Look, it's not even a real thing. What?